1. Adding a head to your HTML. Open a text editor on a computer running this Windows operating system. You'll usually use Notepad++ or Notepad, whereas a Mac OS users will use TextEdit. Chrome OS users will use text. Type HTML and press enter. Please opening tab for your HTML code. Type head and press enter. This is the tag that opens your HTML head, and the HTML head informs that it is not usually displayed on your web page. This information can include the title, metadata, CSS style sheets, and other scripting languages. Type in title. This is the tag to add a title to your web page. Type a title for your web page. This can be any title you want to name your web page. Type in closing tag of a title and press enter. This is the tag to close your title. Type closing of a head and press enter. This is the tag to close your head to your HTML code. Should look something like this.
Adding a body and the text to your HTML, type in body below the closed head tag. This tag opens the body of your HTML to your HTML document. Everything that goes in the HTML body displays on the web page. Type in H1. This is the tag to add a heading to your HTML document. A heading is a large bold text that typically goes at the top of your HTML document. Type a heading for your page. This can be the title of your page or a greeting. Type close H1 after your heading text and press enter. This tag close your heading. Add additional headings as you go. There are 6 different headings that you can create by using the H1 as close H1 through H6 close H6 tags. These create headings for different sizes. For example, to create 3 different size headings in successions, you might write the following. The heading shows the priority or importance of the text, but it's not necessary to use a higher heading if you want to use any lower heading. One can directly use H3 even if there is no one H1 is your post. Type P. This is the tag to open a paragraph. Paragraph text is used to display normal size text. Type someone text. This can be a description for your web page or any other information you wish to share. Type close paragraph after your text and press enter. This is the tag to close your paragraph text. The following is an example of paragraph text in HTML. You can add multiple paragraphs line in a row in order to create a series of paragraphs under one heading. You can change the color of any text by framing the text with the font color and close font tags. Make sure to type your preferred color into the color section. You can turn any text. Example headers into a different color with this set of tags. For example, to turn a paragraph's text blue, you would write the following code. You can add bolds, italics, and other text formats using HTML. The following are example of how you can format text using HTML tags. If you use bold and italic text for emphasis, not just for styling, use the strong and elements instead of bold and italic. This makes your web page easier to understand when using technologies like a screen reader or the reader mode provided in some browsers.
Adding additional elements to your HTML. Add a picture to your page. You can add an image to your HTML using the following steps. Type open imgsrc equal to open your image tag. Copy and paste the image URL after the equal sign in quotation marks. Type close after the image URL to close your image tag. For example, if the image URL is http://www.mypicture.com/lake, you would write the following. Link to another page. You can add a link to your HTML using the following steps. Type open a href equal to open your link tag. Copy and paste URL after the equal sign in quotation marks. Type close after the URL to close the link portion of the HTML. Type a name for a link after the close bracket. Type open/a and close. After the link name, to close the HTML link, the following is an example of a link to Facebook. Add a line break to your HTML. You can add a line break by typing open br close to your HTML. This creates a horizontal line that can be used to divide different sections of your page.
Check out the list of official HTML color names and codes. The World Wide Web Consortium manages an official list of colors that you find at this link. Each color has official name, 6-digit hexadecimal code. You can use any of this value to add color to elements of your web page. For this example, we'll use the official color the background in the body tag. We're doing this by adding the style attribute to the tag. Let's say you wanted to make the background color of the entire page lavender color. So body style is equal to background color lavender. The text color for any tag. You can also use the style attribute to specify which color you'd like all text within a particular tag to be. For example, let's say you wanted to make a text in one of your color midnight blue. Paragraph style is equal to color midnight blue. Color will only affect the text within that paragraph tag. You start another paragraph tag. Later, that the color will only change. The color change will only affect the text within that paragraph tag. If you start another paragraph tag, later that should be also be midnight blue color. You need to set the style attribute there as well. Set the background color for a header or paragraph, similar to how you set the background color for the body tag. You can also set the background colors for other tags. Let's say you wanted to make the background color of a paragraph tag light gray, and the background color of the header is light sky blue. You'd use style is equal to background color light gray, and header style 1 is equal to background color light sky blue.
Part 5. Closing your HTML document. To close your HTML document, type /body to close your body. After you finish adding all your text, images, and other elements to the body of your HTML document, add this tag to the bottom of your HTML document to close the body of your HTML document. Use /HTML to close your HTML document. This tag goes below the tag to close your HTML body. At the end of your HTML document, this tag goes below the tag to close your body at the end of your HTML document. This tells the browser there are no more HTML code after this tag. Your entire HTML document should look something like this one. Doc type HTML head, and the title and head, body, and so on and so forth. So, and the prosing will be /body and /HTML dot. That will close your HTML document. Part 6. Saving and opening your web page. So first you must do is you should click the file. It's in your menu bar at the top of your screen. Save as. It's in the drop down menu below file. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus S. Enter your name for your HTML document. Type whatever you want to name your document into the file name, Windows, or name in Mac or text. To change the document's file type, you'll need to change the document from a text file to an HTML file. Use these following steps in order to change the file types. So first, in Windows, you can click the Save As type and drop down box. Click All Files and then type HTML at the end of the file's name. In Mac OS, you can replace the .txt at the end of the file's name into .html instead. In the Chrome OS, click the Save As button. Name the file with .html at the end, and the beginning is up to you. Click Save. It's at the bottom of the window. Doing so will create an HTML file. HTML files typically open with your default web browser. Close your text editor at this point. You're ready to open your HTML file in your browser. You can view your web page. Open the HTML document with your browser. In most cases, you'll be able to double-click the HTML document. To do this, if double-clicking the document results in an error, do this in following. Okay. In Windows, you need to right-click, select Open With, and click your preferred browser. In Mac, click the document once, click File, select Open With, and click your preferred browser. Edit the HTML document if needed. You may notice an error if your document or HTML page If you notice one, you can still edit your HTML documents text. On Windows, you can right-click the document and click Edit in the resulting drop-down menu in the Notepad or Notepad++ if it's installed. This will say that you can edit it with Notepad++ instead. On Mac, you'll want to click the document to select it. Click File, select Open With, and click Text Edit. You can also drag the document to Text Edit on Text Edit. On Chromebook, close the text app, open Files, find your file, and then click on it. That's all.